We begin with a lion at the bridge on the path. We're going to move quickly, don't run out of breath. Uphill from the pastures and its shrovetide game lies mighty Alnwick Castle, tied to the Percy name. Founded by De Vesey back 900 years, through weddings and sieges and laughter and tears. Down Bailiff Gate Street, once a town all its own, for soldiers and courtiers to have room to roam. To the Church of St. Michael, 500 years old, a holy site for much longer, if you trust what is told. We're in Alnwick, but don't you panic, just a high-speed walking tour of Alnwick. Then through the Potter Gate, a fine tower to see, like everything else, now an Airbnb. Harry Hotspur dirty bottles by a curse or the eye, showcasing highly unusual ways you might die. Next we exit the market into Bondgate within, the former residence, once the least free of men. For bondsmen must work for the lord of the land, reminding that serfdom was never that grand. Now up past the Cornex, where they once traded grain, spent some time as a theatre, then closed down again. Racing out Hotspur Tower into Bondgate without, and down by the Playhouse, where actors do shout. We're in Alnwick, but don't you panic, just a high-speed walking tour of Alnwick. And we end with a lion, its tail straight and unbent, to say thanks so much, Duke, for not raising my rent. Everyone was so broke from Napoleon's last war, it was cheaper to build this than to pay a bit more.